Hello folks, welcome back to CORNISH EXP and welcome to tonight's Urbex. Now, we've been tipped off. You know who you are, so thank you mate, I appreciate it. We're going to look at a farm and then possibly something else. So let's go folks. So we're recording in night vision at the moment, just in case it's a flop folks, but I know someone that's been here and had a little look, so it should be good. So I think what I've got to do is got to get a torch, grab hold of a torch. Here we are, I've got one, here we are. So, a bit amateurish at the minute, I'm sorry folks. Just prepping before we get too close, because it is next to a very busy road, a well-known part of Cornwall. So yeah, should be good folks. Anyway, let's get crack on, shall we? So got a little bit of light. So this is a bit of a lone visual. So first proper urbex for quite a while as well. We haven't done many, which is for blasphemy really. So I'm hoping it's a good one. So there is some kind of development going on the right there. That's all new. So, so I think this place has been earmarked for demolition. So we'll get in now and get it done, like, you know. Should be good, hopefully. So what we got here then? Right, I think we're approaching the property. Yeah. So there's that development, whatever it is over there. So if you live around here, you're probably going to get this one right away. We're approaching the road up there, but the place you want to look at is on the left here. Sorry about the shaky camera work, folks. It's a bit awkward. Here we are. This is it. So let's have a quick look at the house a minute before we do anything. So there's some barns there, look, which we'll look at in a minute. So it does look abandoned, boarded up. So it is abandoned, folks. Oh, there's the house there, look. It's clearly sealed. Looks pretty sealed to me, folks. You are fucking kidding me. It's a fucking air raid shutter. Holy shit. We've got to have a look at this. It's a fucking air raid shutter. Holy fuck. of weight on that. Wow. Holy fuck. You're fucking joking. Holy shit, look at this. Wow, folks. Wow. It's a proper homemade air raid shutter. That's fucking crazy. So you got a proper possible escape hatch there, which does kind of go off in that direction. Wow, you'd never know this was here, would you? Holy crap, what a find, eh? Well, it's paid off now because of this. Holy shit. Alright, so might be a challenge to get out. That's where we got to go to get out. Alright. Turn the light down a bit. Whoa! Jesus Christ. Would you believe that? So we've got some more bits there. That was just worth it just for its own, that was, folks. Bloody hell. So it doesn't look like we're getting in the house. So they're all pretty secure. I'll just turn that down a bit. Looks pretty secure there. Alright. Let's have a little nosy here a minute. That was worth it for that, just that air raid shutter. That's amazing. You never would have known that was there. Flipping heck. So we've got other buildings here, which look pretty good. Sorry about the shakiness, folks. Can't really help it. Can't risk using any of the other kit at the moment. So we've got some old workshop barns, whatever here. Quite interesting. Alright, well that's it, folks. How long have we got? Nearly a 10-minute video. That's pretty good. Happy with that. So, yeah, so we can't get in any of that, unfortunately, which is a bit of a bummer. So it would have been some kind of business here at one time. Right, well, I do hope you enjoyed that. The highlight of this one was looking at that air raid shelter, wasn't it, folks? Flipping heck, that was magic. Right, on to the next one. We've got something else to look at, so we'll be back when we get to that one. We'll catch you later. Cheers and gone.